Hi, this is Carolyn Wilhelm from Wise Owl Factory, and this is a video about Math Centers for Spring for independent student work, kindergarten and first grade. It's 68 pages long. There are different activities: St. Patrick's Day, count and graph, spring, little gardener. Everything's also in black and white. There's options. They can count and graph, where there's one right answer, roll and graph, where answers will vary. First graders can make their own survey, and there's embedded differentiation. You only print the pages you want for your classroom. You don't have to print everything. Each section has the same format: color, count and graph, black and white, count and graph, answer pages, and cubes to roll in color and in black and white. First grade surveys, there's answer keys. They're based on some math standards. Thank you very much for listening.